Hello everyone, welcome back to indiancoding.com. Today we are going to discuss about Python strings. So let's see what is string first. So string in Python are surrounded by either single quotation mark or double quotation mark. So on screen you can see that I have provided the two kinds of option. First one, hello, is written in a single quotation and the same thing is written as in double quotation. So there is no difference between these things. You can denote it with the help of both of the quotation. Okay. So you can display the string literal with the help of printf function. Let me show you one example, then you will be able to understand. So on screen you can see that I have mentioned x is equal to name and then print x. So on screen you can see that we got the output as a name. So this is what we call the string here. Okay. So it's in the same process we can create so many kind of strings. So how to assign string to a variable? Okay, so in that case, first we have to give a variable, then I will give the value of it, and then I want to print that variable. That is what we have done in the last example as I show you. Okay, so this you can assign a multi-line string to a variable using a quotes. How to do that? We need to work on that too. So here on screen you can see that I have mentioned one example on screen. I have mentioned the uh, multi-lines in a double quotation, and then I am going to print that thing only. So Python does not have a character data type. A single character is simplified to string. Okay, so let me give you one more example. If I'm going to write it in this form, like let me just run it. What will I get? I have mentioned x is equal to n of 0. So it will provide me the first number that is mentioned in your value. That is the name's first value is started with the n. So it is showing me n. I have mentioned the 3. So it will show me the e. Okay. So that is what I was talking about. We can get the position of the alphabet with the help of the string, assigned string. That is what I was saying. Okay, so this is how you can get. There are so many other things that are also available in the Python. We will discuss those things also. These are the basic terms I have discussed. So there are few more examples that are available inside the Python string. You can just pause this video and read all this. And this is the very simple examples that are variable. The another we are having is the length function returns the length of the string. So by learning the definition, you will be able to understand what I am talking. But still, I will show you few examples so you will be able to understand it properly. Okay. So let me just write length of here, length of x, because the name x equal to name, print length of x. So if I'm going to run this particular term, what will I get? So on screen you can see that. Okay, let me run it properly. Maybe some issue. Okay, now on screen you can see the what is the length of the x value name, that is 4. There are 4 alphabets that is available inside the name. Okay, so that is what called the length of the function that returns the length of the string. Okay, so these are the few kinds of examples. There are so many small terms that are available. Okay, the next thing you can see, you can return a range of character by using the slice syntax. Okay, how to do that? Let me just show you. Okay, here on screen, let me just write b equal to hello world, print b of 0. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? On screen, let me run this. 04 I have mentioned. Okay, this is the syntax how you should mention it. Okay, so on screen you can see that from 0 to 4, what all the alphabets are there, it will mention those alphabets over there. Fine, so that is how you need to do that. Okay, so let me just mention for okay, hello is mentioned because 0 to 5, all the alphabets that are 0 to 5, the serial number, how many alphabets that are available, it will mention only those alphabets over there. Fine. So I hope you understood this much how to work on it. Fine. So these are the few things you can also try at your place. I have mentioned so many other examples too. You can just pause this video, read these examples, and work by yourself. These are very small kind of examples that are very available here. So there are uppercase, lowercase are also available. So how to do that? If I want print b dot uppercase here, so on screen you can see that we got the values in the uppercase. Okay, let me just write the lowercase. So I am getting the value as a lowercase. So that is what the uppercase and the lowercase means. These are the very easy terms. It just there are so many terms in the Python string that is why it is taking too long. Otherwise, there are very small terms that are available inside the strings. Okay, so on screen you can see that string concatenation is also available. So in that case, a equal to hello, b equal to world, c is equal to a plus b, and print c. So what do you think? What are the things we are going to get in this? So example, to add a space between them, add a and then brackets. So that is how you can add the space. Okay. So these are the few terms that are available here. You can work on it. I have mentioned all the details here. Here the method description is also mentioned. You can also work on it. How to capitalize thing, how to case fold it, how to center it. Every details I have mentioned here. You can just pause this video and just write it on your notebook, or you can just copy paste from here. So these are the terms that are available here. Okay, so I have shown you all the examples that is available. So I hope you understood how to do that. So let me just mention one more example, that a is equal to first name, b is equal to last name. So I am just writing c equal to a plus b. Okay, so just let me run it. On screen you can see that first name, last name, but there is no space in there because I have not created any space over there. Okay, this is how you can do it. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features. Let me just create one space here. Okay, so on screen you can get it. So I hope you understood. That's all for today's class. Thank you.